Hi guys, it's raining today. I just came back from school. It's just that these are my plants. I put it there because it was normally here, right? Here. I put it there because the rain. Tell me, it's a thunderous rain. But there's nothing I can do. Hi. Preventing the phone to not get wet. Tell me it's a thunderous rain. Like, I don't know. I don't know, bro. The rain. I love rain, actually. That's why I love London. Come on. Who doesn't like rain? Okay, bye, guys. It's the end of the show, so I wish you good.